The 4th of July is an age-old American tradition where we launch rockets into the sky and watch as they explode into the classic red, white, and blue colors, right? Well, Intel challenges the idea of what traditional fireworks look like with their latest innovation. I'm Stephanie Essen, and you'll find out how in this IDZ Weekly. This past 4th of July, Intel collaborated with Travis Air Force Base in Fairfield, California, to create an Intel Shooting Star light show in commemoration of the base's 75th anniversary. 500 of Intel's magnificent drones glided across the sky and painted the recognizable images of America's independence, honoring active military members and veterans. Although fireworks have been an American tradition dating back to 1777, Intel decided it was time to create a show in which all members of the military community could happily participate, particularly those who have PTSD and who might be sensitive to the explosive bangs of fireworks. Not only that, but this new technology also dramatically reduces the amount of pollution emitted into the air by conventional fireworks. Colonel John Klein from the base was especially supportive of the collaboration. Quote, "With Travis in close proximity to Silicon Valley, the base strives to develop relationships and to play an active role in Northern California's innovation ecosystem." To learn more about this inspiring collaboration, read the story in the links. Thanks for watching IDZ Weekly. See you next Monday.